in this video we are going to solve a beginner level profit and loss question. So friends, my advice is before watching this video, kindly learn all the formulas, right? What is called a selling price, cost price, and the profit percentage formula, loss percentage formula, and also most important thing is you should know where to put 100%, 95%, 105%. So everything is important. So kindly watch my previous video. It's a basic of profit and loss. After learning all the formulas, again come back to this video so that you can easily understand the concept of the question. So let me move on to question number 1. Question number 1. A person buys a book for rupees 200 and sell it for rupees 225. What will be its gain percentage? So friends, listen carefully. It's a simplest question. First of all, a person is buying a book. If he buys a book, then we can say that it will be cost price. So cost price of the book will be rupees 200, and then he sold it for 225 rupees, and we can surely say that the selling price will be 225. Right? And listen here, our target to find what is gain percentage. By seeing this question where the selling price is more than the cost price, definitely it will be profit. So our target to find what is profit percentage or gain percentage. So friends, every question can be solved by two methods. One is by formula method and second is by percentage method. Kindly don't learn any one method, learn both the methods. If any toughest question, you can solve by using a formula method. In case of easy question, we can directly crack by a percentage method. So my advice is, though it's an easy question, try to learn all the question in formula method and also in percentage method. So first of all, we are going to solve this question by a formula method, right? So friends, our target to find a percentage gain or percentage profit. So this can be done as selling price minus cost price. The formula will be selling price minus cost price divided by cost price into 100. And we know that selling price will be 225, cost price will be 200. So 225 minus 200, the numerator will be 25 divided by, and the cost price will be 200. So we can say that divided by 200 into 100. So when we cancel 2020, 25 divided by 2 will be 12.5. So finally we can say that 12.5% will be the gain, right? So finally we can say the answer for this question will be 12.5%. So friends, we obtained the answer 12.5 by using a formula method. So let me move on to the percentage method. So friends, in the basic itself, I have told you one thing. Always take a cost price as 100%. Here the cost price will be 200 rupees. So we can say that 100% will be the cost price is equals to 200 rupees. Friends, always cost price should be 100%. So 100% cost price is equals to 200. So friends, listen carefully. Cost price is 200, selling price is 225. So we can say that 25 rupees will be its profit, right? So 200 will be the cost price, 225 will be the selling price. So we can say that 25 rupees will be its profit. So we need to find this 25 rupees is how much percentage when compared to 200. So friends, cost price will be 200 and the profit will be 25 rupees. Our target to find what is gain percentage. So 25 rupees is what percentage. So now we need to cross this and also we need to cross this. Here percentage gets cancelled. So 100 into 25. So 100 into 25 is equals to 200 into x. So 200 into x. So we can cancel 0, 0, 0, 0. So 25 divided by 2. So 25 divided by 2 is equal to x. So finally we can say that x is equal to 12.5%. So we got the answer in both the method. Final answer, the percentage gain will be 12.5. So it's a formula method and it's a percentage method. So every question, some questions should be solved only by using a formula method. We can go and apply the percentage method. But in case if there is any toughest question, some students will feel tougher to solve by using a percentage method. In that case, you can use a formula method. So learn both the methods. Definitely it will help you to crack a profit loss question. So let me move on to question number 2. A person buys a watch for rupees 500 and sell it for rupees 300. So find his loss percentage. So friends, this question looks similar to the previous question because in previous question we need to find what is gain percentage, but in this question it's a loss percentage. Listen here friends, person is buying a watch. If we buys a watch, it will be cost price. So cost price will be 500 and he sold it for rupees 300. So the selling price will be 300. So friends, here the selling price is less than the cost price. If the selling price is less than the cost price, definitely it will be a loss. So our target to find what is loss percentage. So friends, first of all, we are going to solve this question by formula method, then by percentage method, right? So first of all, percentage loss. So percentage loss is equal to cost price minus selling price divided by cost price into 100. So friends, always the denominator should be cost price. We need to compare all the value only with the cost price, right? So friends, cost price minus selling price. Here the cost price is 500 and he sold for 200. So 500 minus 200, the resultant will be 200, right? So 500 minus 300, the resultant will be 200, and divided by cost price will be 500. So into 100. So we can easily cancel 0, 0, 0 and 0. So 5 into 4 will be 20. So 40. So finally we can say that 40% will be its loss. By using a formula method, we obtain an answer that is 40%. So friends, if you need to crack this question in percentage method, so first of all you need to know one simple concept, that always cost price should be 100%. So 100% cost price, here the cost price will be 500, and we know that cost price is 500 and he sold for 300, so 200 rupees will be its loss. So 200 rupees we need to find what percentage loss. We need to compare this 200 out of 500, right? So we need to cross this, right? And here percentage gets cancelled. So x into 500 will be 500 into x. So here it is 200 into 100. So 200 into 100. So easily we can cancel 0, 0. Similarly we can cancel 0 and 0. So 1 5s are 5, 5 4s are 20, 40. So finally we can say that x is equal to 40, where 40% will be loss. So friends, after solving both the methods, we can surely say that answer for question number 2 will be 40%. Question number 3. A gold bracelet is sold for rupees 14,500 at a loss of 20%. So what will be the cost price of gold bracelet? Again, it's a simple question, but here a gold bracelet is sold, right? If he sold, then we can say that the selling price will be 14,500. So because of selling for this amount, he got a loss of 20%. So loss will be 20% and the selling price will be 14,500. So we need to find what is the cost price of the bracelet. So friends, first of all, let me solve this question by using a formula method. So our target to find what is cost price. So cost price is equal to 100 divided by 100 minus loss percentage. Here the loss percentage is 20. So 100 minus 20 into selling price. So selling price will be 14,500. So when we cancel this 100 minus 20, it will be 80. So into 14500. I think we can cancel 0 and 0. So friends, 1450 divided by 8. So let me cancel this. 1 8s are 8. So the remainder will be 65. 8 8s are 64. Remainder will be 1. So 1 8s are 8. So remainder will be 3. So 0.82s are 16. So 8 5s are 40. So finally we can say that 181.25 into 100. The resultant will be 18125. So friends, the cost price of the gold bracelet will be 18,125. So with the loss of 20%, the person sold it for 14,500. So finally we can say that cost price of the gold bracelet will be 18,125. We got an answer by using a formula method. So let me move on to percentage method friends. Listen carefully. We know that always 100% should be a cost price. Here we don't know what about the cost price, right? So we need to keep 100% cost price, but we don't know what about the cost price. So 100% cost price is equal to X. And this 14,500 is sold at a loss of 20%. So we can definitely say that 80% will be that amount. So 100% the cost price, 20% will be loss, so 80%. So we can say that 80% is equals to the amount will be 14,500. So now we need to cross this similar to the previous question. Again we need to cross this. Here percentage gets cancelled. So 80 into x will be 80x. So is equal to 14500 into 100. So x is equal to, we can cancel 0 and also we can cancel 0. So finally this can be done as 145,000 divided by 8. So similar to this pattern, right? Here 145,000 divided by 8. So finally we got 18125. So in both the methods, after solving a question, so 18125 will be its answer. So listen carefully. Cost price 100% is equals to X, and we know that he sold 14,500 at a loss of 20%. So cost price will be 100, loss will be 20. So this amount will be equals to 80%. So after crossing it, we got an answer 18,125 will be the cost price. Question number 4. By selling a cycle for rupees 4,860, a student loss is 19%. So we need to find what is the cost price. So when similar to the previous question, listen carefully. A person is selling a cycle. So if he sold a cycle, then we can say that it will be a selling price. So selling price will be 4,860. So because of selling for that amount, he got a loss of 19%. So our target to find what is cost price. So friends, first of all, let me solve this question by using a formula method. So cost price is equals to 100 divided by 100 minus loss. So 100 minus loss will be 19. So 100 minus loss percentage, that is 19, resultant will be 81 into selling price. Selling price will be 4,860. So friends, now we need to cancel this. I think we can directly cancel this on 6 table. So 81 into 6 will be 486. So it's 60. So finally we can say that cost price will be 6,000. So friends, by using a formula method, we got an answer, that is 6,000 will be the cost price of the cycle. So friends, now let me move on to the percentage method. So if you need to solve a question in a percentage method, first of all, you need to take always the cost price as 100%. Here our target to find what is cost price. So 100% will be the cost price, that we don't know, is equals to X. But he sold a cycle for 4,860. 4,860, after he selling, he found that it will be 19% loss. So 100% cost price, 19% loss, the resultant will be 81%. So 81% will be its selling price, that is 4,860. So 100% will be the cost price, is equals to X. Now we need to cross this, right? So when we cross this, 81 into X, so 81 into X is equal to 4,860 into 100. So finally this can be done as 81 into, similar to the previous question, right, will be 486. So 60 into 100 will be 6,000. So finally we can say that in both the method, the cost price of the cycle will be rupees 6,000. Question number 5. A calculator is bought for rupees 350 and sold at a gain of 15%. So what will be the selling price of a calculator? So friends, first of all, a calculator is bought for 350. If it is bought for 350, then we can say that cost price will be 350. And he decided to sold the same calculator at a gain of 15%. So we need to find what is the selling price of the calculator. So friends, we are going to solve this question by two methods, percentage and also formula, right? First of all, let me move on to the formula method, friends. So our target to find what is selling price of the calculator. So selling price will be 100 plus profit percentage divided by 100 into cost price, right? So here selling price is equals to 100 plus profit. So 100 plus profit, here profit will be 15%. So 100 plus 15 will be 115% divided by 100, and the cost price of the calculator will be 350. So now we need to cancel this, right? So when we cancel 0 and 0, so 35 divided by 10 will be 3.5. So when we multiply this, 35, I think 3 into 100 will be 300, 15 into 3 will be 45, so 345, 0.5 will be the half of it, so we can say that 402.5. So finally when we multiply both the numbers, the answer will be 402.5 will be the selling price of the calculator. So he bought the calculator for rupees 350 rupees and he decided to sell the same calculator at a profit of 15%. So profit of 15%, so the selling price will be 402.5. So friends, we got an answer by using a formula method, right? So let me move on to the percentage method. We already know that cost price should always be taken as 100%. Here 100% will be the cost price. So here the cost price of the calculator will be 350. So 350 will be the cost price, that is 100%, and he decided to sold this calculator at a profit of 15%. 100% cost price, 15% profit, so this can be taken as 115% is equals to X. Similarly we need to cross this and we need to cross this, so 100 into X is equals to 350 into 115. So we can cancel 0 0. Similarly we can cancel 0, so 35 divided by 10 will be 3.5. So 3.5 into 115. So similar to this case where 115 into 3.5 will be 402.5. So finally after solving this question of both the method, the selling price of the calculator will be 402.5 percentage. So this area is most important, right? You need to understand the concept. 100 percentage cost price will be 350 rupee. Cost price plus profit will be 15 percentage. So 115 percentage, we need to find what is the amount. So 115 percentage is equal to X. So finally we got an answer for question number 5 will be 402.5. Question number 6. By selling a cell phone for rupees 2400, a shopkeeper makes a profit of 25 percentage. Then his profit percentage if he had sold it for rupees 2040. So friends, interesting question. First of all, a person is selling a mobile phone that is for rupees 2400. After selling for this amount, he found that he got 25 percentage profit. It's a first data. If he sold the same mobile phone for 2040 rupees, so we need to find what will be its profit percentage. So friends, first of all, let me solve this question by using a formula method. By using the first 3 lines, first 2 data alone, that is 25 percentage profit, and he sold a mobile phone for 2400. By using both the data, first of all, let me calculate what is the cost price of the mobile phone by using a formula, right? So cost price of the mobile phone will be 100 divided by 100 plus profit. So 100 plus profit will be 25. So 100 plus 25 will be 125, and here the selling price of the mobile phone will be 2400. So 2400. So now we need to cancel this, right? I think easily we can cancel this on 25 table 5 times. So when we cancel this on 25 table, it will be 4 times. So again we can cancel this on 5 table. So 5 4s are 20, remainder will be 4. So 8 5s are 40, that is 480. So 0, 8 4s are 30, 8 4s are 32, remainder will be 3, 16, 192. So friends, finally we got the mobile phone cost price will be 1920. And after selling it for 2400 rupees, he got a profit of 25 percentage. By using the first 3 data alone, that is first 3 line data alone, we have calculated what is the cost price of the mobile phone, which is 1920. Now he decided if he sold the same mobile phone for 2040 rupees, our target to find what is the gain percentage. Here the cost price will be 1920 and the selling price. Now if he sold it for 2040, it will be the selling price of the mobile phone. So now we need to find what will be the gain percentage. So gain percentage formula will be selling price minus cost price divided by cost price into 100. Here the selling price will be 2040 and minus of cost price will be 1920 divided by cost price. Here the cost price will be 1920. So friends, now we need to cancel this, right? So into 100. So we need to take a difference first of all. Here it is 80, here it is 40, 120 will be the difference. So 120 divided by 192 into 100. I think we can cancel this on 2 table first of all. So when we cancel this on 2 table, 9 2s are 18, so remainder will be 1, so 96. So when we cancel this on 2 table, it will be 60. Again we can cancel this on 3 table. So 20, when we cancel this on 3 table, 32. So again we can cancel this on 2 table 10 times. So when we cancel this on 2 table, which will be 16. Again we can cancel this on 2 table 5. So this will be 8. So 5 divided by 8 into 100. So this can be taken as 500 divided by 8. So 8 6 are 48. So it will be 6.25. So finally we can say that the answer will be 6.25 percentage. So friends, 6.25 percentage will be its gain percentage if he sold the same watch for this 2040 rupees. So friends, this method that we have solved by using a formula, right? We have used 2 formulas. One is we need to find the cost price. So we have used a formula of cost price. Then after finding the cost price, our target to find if he sold it for 2040, we need to find what is gain percentage. So here we have used a gain percentage formula. So 2 formula we have used here to find what is the gain percentage according to the given data. So friends, let me solve the same question by using a percentage method, which is most important. Simply by writing a 2-step, we can solve this question. Listen carefully. First of all, a phone is sold for 2400 rupees. Listen here friends. First of all, a phone is sold for 2400 rupees, and after selling for this amount, he got 25% profit. So 100% will be the cost price, 25% will be the profit. So we can say that 125% will be 2400 rupees. So friends, 100% cost price, 25% profit. So 125% will be the total amount that he sold the phone for 2,400 rupees. If he wants to sell a same mobile phone for 2,040 rupees, so we need to find how much profit is. That's it. If you cross this and if you cancel it, you can easily get an answer. It's easiest trick, but learn both the methods, right? So friends, 125% is equals to 2,400. So this 125 is 100% plus profit 25%. So 125% will be 2,400. So friends, if he want to sold the mobile phone for 240, that is 2,040. So we need to find how much percentage he gained. Now we need to cross this similar to the previous question. So here percentage gets cancelled. So x into 2,400. So 2,400 into x is equals to, so 125 into 2,040. So 125 into 2,040. So here x is equal to 125 into 2040 divided by 2400. So we can cancel 0 and 0. So friends, I think we can cancel this on 5 table. So when we cancel this on 5 table, it will be 25. So when we cancel this on 5 table, it will be 5 4s are 20, so the remainder will be 4, so 8 5s are 40, that will be 48. We can cancel this on 2 table, right? It will be 24. So when we cancel this on 2 table, which is 102, so again when we cancel this on 2 table 12, it will be 51. So this can be taken as 25 into 51 divided by 12. So friends, now our target to find what is the gain percentage. Listen carefully, which is most important. Our target to find gain percentage. So this 51 can be taken as 50 plus 1. So 50 plus 1. So first of all 50 into 250. So it will be 1250, right? So 1250 plus 25 will be 1275. So finally we can say that 1275 divided by 12. So friends, when we cancel this, it will be 106.25. So finally we got 106.25. Listen carefully friends. Here 106.25 we got an answer. But our target to find what is the gain percentage. So friends, 106.25 where 100% will be the cost price and the remaining will be 6.25. So 6.25 will be its profit percentage. Friends, can you able to understand this concept? So this 106.25% can be written as 100 plus 6.25%, right? So here 100% will be the cost price, here the profit will be 6.25%. So our target to find what is profit percentage, here the profit percentage will be 6.25. So friends, after solving in both the method, here if you need to solve a question in formula, you need to use 2 formulas, right? And if you need to solve the question in a percentage method, you need to know how to write this. So 125% 2,400, 2,040 is equal to x percentage. But final answer is 106.25%. Our target to find only what is gain percentage. So this 106.25% can be taken as 100 plus 6.25. 100% will be the cost price, 6.25 will be the profit. So the answer will be 6.25%. Question number 7. The owner of a cell phone shop charges his customer 28% more than the cost price. If the customer paid rupees 8,960 for the cell phone, what was the cost price of the cell phone? So friends, the question looks a little bit tricky, but the concept is so simple because owner of a cell phone shop, he decided to sell its mobile phone 28% more than the cost price. Any percentage, if it is more than the cost price, should be taken as a profit, right? Here the profit will be 28% and he sold the mobile phone for 8,960. So we can say the profit is 28% and the mobile phone that is sold, selling price will be 8,960 and our target to find what is the cost price, right? So by reading a question, it seems like tricky, but the concept is so simple. Any percentage, if it is more than cost price, then should be taken as a profit percentage, right? So friends, here our target to find what is the cost price, that is CP, is equals to 100 divided by 100 plus profit. So 100 divided by 100 plus profit percentage. So 100 profit will be 25. So the denominator will be 128 into, and the selling price of the mobile phone will be 8960. So friends, when we cross this, I think 128 into 7 because 8 sevens are 56, so we can say that 128 into 7, that is 70. So 70 into 100 will be 7,000. So finally we can say that cost price of the mobile phone will be 7,000. With a profit of 28%, he sold the mobile to the customers with a rate of 8,960. By using a formula, we got what is the cost price of the mobile phone. So friends, let me move on to the percentage method. Here our target to find what is the cost price. So always cost price should be taken as 100%. So 100% cost price, but we don't know what about the cost price of the mobile phone. But he sold the mobile phone at a profit of 28%. The amount will be 8960. So we can say that 100% will be the cost price, sold for 28% profit. So 128% will be the amount, that is 8960. Now we need to cross this. So x into 128 is equals to 8960 into 100. So similar to the previous pattern, friends. So this can be written as 8960 into 100 divided by 128. So when we cancel this 70, so 70 into 100 will be 7000. So finally, in both the cases, we got an answer, that is cost price of the mobile phone will be 7000. Question number 8. By selling an article for rupees 720, a man loses 10%. At what price should he sell it for gain of 5%? So friends, it's simple question, but listen carefully. First of all, a man is selling an article for 720 rupees. So after selling for 720, he found that it is 10% loss. Now he decided to sell the same article for 5% gain. If he need to sell a same article for 5% gain, so our target to find what is the price of the article. So friends, first of all, let me solve this question by a formula method. Listen carefully. By using the first two data, a man is selling an article, so selling price will be 720, loss will be 10%. By using the data, we can find what is the cost price of the article, right? So friends, cost price will be 100 divided by 100 minus loss. So 100 minus loss will be 10, so it will be 90 into selling price. Selling price will be 720. So finally, it can be 8 times, right? So 90 into 8 will be 720. 8 into 100 will be 800. So finally we can say that cost price of the article will be 800, right? So now what he decided is, he wants to sell the same article with a gain of 5%, that is profit of 5%. So we need to find what is the selling price. So selling price is equal to 100 plus profit percentage. Here the profit he need to sell is 5%. So 100 plus 5 will be 105. Divided by 100 into cost price. Here the cost price of the article is 800. So we can cancel 0 and 0. So 105 into 8. 105 can be taken as 100 plus 5. 100 into 8 will be 800. 8 into 5 will be 40. 800 plus 40 will be 840. So finally, the selling price will be 840. So friends, we got an answer by using a formula method, that is 840 for question number 8. First of all, by using a two data, selling price and also the loss will be 10%. We found what is the cost price of the article. So after finding the cost price, our target to find if he wants to sell the same article for 5% gain. So selling price 100 plus profit percentage. So 100, he wants to get a 5% gain. So 100 plus 5 will be 105 divided by 100 into cost price. So finally we got the selling price is 840. So this method is a formula method, right? So let me move on to the percentage method. Listen carefully, friends. First of all, we know that he sold an article for 720 with the loss of 10%. So 100% will be the cost price, 10% will be the loss. So we can say that 90% he sold an article for 720, right? Now what he decided is, he need a gain of 5%. Cost price will be 100%, 5% gain can be taken as 105%. So if he need a gain of 5%, that is cost price plus gain 5%, that is 105% is equals to x. That's it. If you cross this, you can easily get an answer. So 90%, that is 100% cost price. So 100% cost price, 10% loss, 90% will be the article that is sold for 720. Now what he decided is, he wants to sell this article for 5% gain. 100% cost price, 5% gain, 105% is equal to x. Just cross it, friends, similar to the previous pattern, right? So 105 into 720. So 105 into 720 is equals to x into 90. So x is equal to 105 into 720 divided by 90. So we can cancel this on a table. So we can take 840. So by solving both the method, we got an answer, that is selling price will be 840. Question number 9. A loses 20% by selling a radio for rupees 768. So what percent will he gain by selling it for 1020? So friends, it's a simple question. First of all, A is selling a radio for 768 rupees and he found that it's a loss of 20%. So now what he decided is, he decided to sell it for 1020 rupees. So if he sold it for 1020 rupees, our target to find what is gain percentage. So friends, let me solve this question by a formula method. First of all, by using the first two data, that is loss 20%, 768 will be the selling price. By using both the data, first of all, let me find what is the cost price of the radio. So cost price is equals to 100 divided by 100 minus loss. Loss will be 20%, so 100 minus 20 will be 80. So 80 into the radio cost will be 768. So friends, when we cancel this, 768, right? Okay, so when we cancel this, we can cancel 0 and 0. Similarly, I think 8 8s, 9 8s are 72, right? It will be 9 times because 9 8s are 72. So the remainder will be 4, which is 48. So 8 6 are 48, so it will be 96. 96 into 10 will be 960. So finally, we found the cost price of the radio will be 960. Now what he decided is, if he sold the same radio for 1020 rupees, our target to find what is the gain percentage. So percentage gain will be selling price minus cost price divided by cost price into 100, and we know cost price will be 960 and the selling price will be 1020. So friends, selling price minus cost price, so 1020 minus 960 divided by, and the cost price will be 960 into 100. So friends, equals to, so 1020 minus 960, here 40 difference, here 20 difference, so total will be 60. So 60 divided by 960 into 100, 0 0, so this will be 16 times, so 100 divided by 16, so 100 divided by 16 will be 6.25%. So finally we can say that the profit he gained will be 6.25% if he sold the radio for what amount, right? 1020. If he sold the same radio for 1020, he is getting 6.25%. Now let me solve this question in percentage method. So friends, here he sold a radio for 768 with a loss of 20. So we can say that 100 minus 20 will be 80. So 80% will be the loss after selling us 768. So we can say that 20% loss will be resultant will be 80%. So selling price will be 80%, that is 768. If he sold the same radio for 1020 rupees, so our target to find what will be its gain percentage. So friends, now we need to cross this. So when we cross this, 768 into x is equals to 1020 into 80. So x is equal to 1020 into 80 divided by 768. So now we need to cancel this. So x is equal to, so friends, here it is 0 0, so 0 0, so 8 2s are 16, remainder will be 1, so 81600 divided by 768. So friends, when you divide this, the final answer will be 106.25. Listen carefully, 106.25 will be the final answer, but our target to find what will be the percentage gain. So this 106.25% can be taken as 100 plus 6.25. 100% will be the cost price, 6.25 will be the profit. So if he sold the same radio for the amount of 1020, he got a profit of 6.25. So friends, after solving this question in both formula and also by percentage method, we got an answer that is 6.25%. The last 10th question in this lesson. So Mittu got a profit of 10% on selling an article of rupees 220. To get a profit of 30%, so what amount he need to sell the article? So friends, interesting question. It looks like a previous question, right, which we saw in this lesson, but you need to know how to solve a question, each and every question, because in previous question we are talking about loss of 10%, but here they are talking about profit of 10%. Listen here friends, first of all, Mittu sold an article for 220 rupees and he got a profit of 10%. By using both the data, let me find what is the cost price of the article. So cost price of the article, 100 divided by 100 plus profit. So 100 plus profit will be 10. So this can be taken as 110 into, and the selling price will be 220. So finally, we can easily cancel this 2 times. 100 into 2 will be 200. So we can say that the cost price of an article will be 200. Now he need to sell this article to gain a profit of 30%. So we can say that cost price will be 200 and now the profit percentage should be 30%, right? So we need to find, if he need to sell the same article for 30%, what should be the amount, right? So friends, selling price is equals to 100 plus profit percentage, that is 100 plus 30 divided by 100 into cost price. Cost price will be 200. So friends, 100 plus 30 will be 130. 130 divided by 100 into 200. So we can cancel 0 0, again we can cancel 0 and 0. So 130 into 2 will be 260. So finally we can say that 260 will be 260 percentage. So friends, if she wants to gain 30 percentage, then she need to sell the article for 260 rupees. So answer for that question will be 260. Let me move on to the percentage method. So Mittu got a profit of 10 percentage because of selling an article for 220 rupees. So we can say that cost price 100 and he sold an article with 10 percentage profit. So 110 percentage will be its selling price, that is 220. Now what she planned is he need to sell the same article with a 30 percentage profit. So this can be taken as 130 percentage because 100 percentage will be cost price, 30 percentage will be its desired profit. So 100 plus 30 will be 130. So we need to find what is 130 percentage. Just you need to cross this. So this can be taken as 110 into x is equals to 220 into 130. So x is equal to, we can cancel 100, x is equal to 130 into 2 will be 260. So finally we got, if she want a 30 percentage of profit, then Mittu should sold an article for 260 rupees. So friends, in this video we have solved a 10 beginner level question on the topic profit and loss. It's a part 1, so don't forget to watch my part 2, again a beginner lesson in the topic profit and loss. Why? Because you need to be first of all strong on the basics. That is important. Don't directly jump to the toughest question. Be strong on the basics, and my advice is you should know both the method, which is most important. Don't learn only the percentage method and don't learn only the formula method, right? Learn both the method. By seeing a question in your exam, you can guess whether this question can be solved in formula or that question can be solved in a percentage. Why? Because most of the question percentage looks easy, but in some case percentage method looks little bit tricky. And most of the cases where the formula method looks tricky, but in certain cases by applying a single formula you can get an answer. So remember that both the methods are important. If you learn both the methods, then solving a question in exams will be so simple. So don't learn any one method, learn both the methods. So friends, thank you so much for watching my video. If you really like this video, so my advice is download this video and give to your friends who are poor, who can't able to afford any institution for the preparation of bank exam or any competitive exam, because every competitive exam has a profit and loss, time and work ratio, proportion and everything. So download this video and give to your friends who can't able to afford any coaching center, so that it will be so helpful. So thank you so much. Don't forget to watch a part 2 lesson in the beginner on the topic profit and loss.